Hello, this is Satvik the YouTuber, and today we'll be showing you the Bellagio water fountain. The Bellagio Resort's signature attraction is the Fountain of Bellagio, a dancing water fountain synchronized to music. It is performed in an 8.5-acre man-made lake located in the front of the resort. The show uses 1,214 water nozzles and 4,792 lights. The fountain shoots as high as 460 feet. Now enjoy the Michael Jackson's Billie Jean song. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, rate, and we'll be looking forward to making more videos.